So for today we are going to look at not one but four technical terms, and you will often see these words in the machine learning domain. So first let's start with seeing some job descriptions where you see these terms. So here is a job description of an expert machine learning engineer, where you can see that this requires strong proficiency in Python and modern machine learning frameworks. And so it has Scikit-Learn and PyTorch and TensorFlow. Here is another job description of a machine learning engineer, where you will see in the requirements experience with machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. And this is the last job description that we'll see, and this is of a research engineer in GPU performance. And here you'll see they also need familiarity with ML framework internals such as PyTorch and JAX. So all the four terms that you saw, those are actually machine learning frameworks. Now what does a framework mean? A framework is a set of pre-built tools, libraries and resources that allow developers to build, train and deploy ML models efficiently. Now coming on to the terms themselves. So as you can see, Scikit-Learn, PyTorch, TensorFlow and JAX are four pillars of the modern Python machine learning and artificial intelligence ecosystem. Now here's one thing to differentiate. Scikit-Learn is actually used with traditional machine learning, whereas the other three are used more for deep learning and neural networks. Now what is the difference between traditional machine learning and deep learning? So in simple terms, every day in the world a lot of data is being generated. Now if you can organize that data in structured format like tables, numbers, organized text, this type of learning which happens on this traditional data is called classical machine learning or traditional machine learning. Now what is deep learning? Deep learning actually works on images, raw audios and videos. So this kind of data is called unstructured data. I'll keep it simple till here. Deep learning is neural networks, machine learning is usually algorithms. So coming back to a quick comparison between the four keywords, Scikit-Learn is used in classical machine learning, PyTorch is used in deep learning, NLP is natural language processing, and LLMs are large language models like ChatGPT. TensorFlow is used for production environments, and JAX is also a framework which is used for high performance AI research. So choose Scikit-Learn when you're working with Excel spreadsheets, CSVs and tabular data. Choose PyTorch if you want to learn deep learning and build neural networks, and if you want to work with computer vision, natural language processing. Choose TensorFlow if your primary goal is to build massive production grade systems, or if you need to deploy deep learning models specifically to mobile or edge hardware. And choose JAX if you are an advanced researcher looking to push hardware to its absolute limits, write custom mathematical operations, or train heavy models on TPU clusters. So just one more difference between PyTorch and TensorFlow, because these two tools are the most used ones in deep learning right now, and JAX is also coming up quite fast. So PyTorch is the undisputed leader for academic research, rapid prototyping and generative AI workloads, while TensorFlow remains a highly structured powerhouse optimized for enterprise grade production pipelines, embedding systems and mobile applications. So this was just a quick overview on all the four terms and where you will see them being used in the AI ML field.